Dear students, how are you? I think you all fine. We are passing our days in bad situation with the coronavirus, so that we all stay at home and our school decided deliver our online class. I have come to perform online class. Today I perform an important grammatical class for class 8 and it is about narration, which is the most important for you. So dear student, let's start my class. At first, what is narration? What is narration? Answer: the space which is under which is under quotation marks or without quoting speakers exact words is called narration or speech. Easy. Example: he says, I am oil. Answer: he says that he is oil. He says, I am oil. This sentence refers present indefinite. His subject says verb. Inverted comma, I am oil. He says, remove the inverted comma, I use conjunction that. Change the person, he, I, instead of I is oil. How many kinds of narration? 2 kinds of narration. There are 2 kinds of narration: direct narration, indirect narration. Direct narration. Direct narration. The speech quoted in the exact words of the speaker. Speaker is a direct narration. Easy. Rina says, I go to school. Dear students, there are 2 kinds of narration: direct narration, indirect narration. What is direct narration? The speech quoted in the exact word of the speaker is a direct narration. Example: Rina says, I go to school. Indirect narration. What is indirect narration? The speech reported in narrative form without waiting the exact words of the speaker is an indirect narration or speech. Easy. Rina says, I go to school. Indirect narration is, this is answer. Rina says, I use tells instead of says. And you uses also says. Rina says, inverted comma remove, and I use conjunction that. Rina says that she goes to school. Dear student, follow the example. Direct narration, Rina says, inverted comma, I go to school. Indirect narration, Rina says, inverted comma, remove, there is used a conjunction that she goes to school. This is indirect narration. Now I tell how many parts of narration. There are two parts of narration. Two parts of narration. Two parts of narration. Reporting speech, reported speech. We use reporting verb or reporting speech. Two parts of narration, reporting speech or reported speech. Easy. Mother said, I read the Quran daily. Dear student, I wrote an example. Mother said, I read the Quran daily. Here, reporting speech. My mother said. This is reporting speech. Mother said. Reporting verb. Said. Reported speech. I read the Quran daily. I read the Quran daily. Dear student, follow the example. There are two parts of narration. Reporting speech, reported speech. There is the example, mother said, I read the Quran daily. Here I reporting speech is mother said. Reporting verb is said. A reported speech, I read the Quran daily. Now we can clearly get Understand how many parts of the narration. Let's go change the narration. Dear student, when you discuss details of narration, at first we should follow the sentence rules. At first we describe assertive sentence, then interrogative sentence, then imperative sentence, then optative sentence, then explanative sentence. If we discuss 5 kinds of sentence and change the direct to indirect, then we can clearly perform the passage narration. Otherwise not. Now I explain assertive sentence. What is the rules of assertive sentence? How we change it? Assertive sentence. That means statement sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive. If the sentence is assertive and there is used tense, present indefinite and future tense. This how we change this sentence direct to indirect. Follow my example. Assertive sentence. He says, I am happy. This sentence is assertive. Dear student, follow my example. He says. This part is reporting verb. Or this part reporting verb. Or this part is reported speech. Reported speech. I said if the sentence is present tense and future tense, indirect narration I use says a point instead of says I use says or says. He says. Remove the inverted comma. There is use conjunction that. The person is he. Change the first person I from the subject. I remove and there is use he. He says that the sentence is present am. He is happy. He says I am happy. He says that he is happy. Only use conjunction that and person. Change the person. I remove and for the subject change he. There is used he. Another example. Father says, I will go to Dhaka. Follow my example. Father says, rules that use according to rules that use. Father says that he will go to Dhaka. This sentence is future. So there is no change tense. Only use conjunction that. Dear students, assertive sentence and if the tense is past tense, there is rules change. If the tense is past tense, I give an example. Monica said. I given another example. Monica said, I read a book. This reporting verb past tense. According to rules, Monica told. According to rules, I use that. In she, person I, instead of Monica, that she read a book. Dear student, read, read. We know the principal verb read. And three option is same. Pronunciation change same. Monica said that she read a book. Another example. He said to me, I am making a basket. Dear student, this is past tense, inverted comma, there is used present continuous tense. The rules according, he told me, according to rules I use that conjunction, that. Instead of I use he. He was making a basket. I said before, if the sentence is present continuous and the repeating verb is past tense, we change the sentence past continuous. If the sentence is present perfect, when we change direct to indirect, we change the past perfect. Another example, Rina said to me, I have broken my chair. Dear student, follow the sentence. This is reported space present perfect. So according to rules, Rina told me. Rules, I use that. Instead of I use she. That she had broken her chair. She had broken her chair. Now I completed assertive sentence. Let's go interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Dear student, what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means asking question. If the sentence expresses asking question, it is called interrogative sentence. There are two roles of interrogative sentence: auxiliary verb question, WH question. Auxiliary verb question roles is separate and the WH question roles is separate. So dear student, let's go interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, I said two roles: auxiliary verb question, WH question. How you can understand auxiliary verb question when the reported speech use am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, shall, will. That is auxiliary verb question. Interrogative sentence A, direct to indirect. Direct to indirect. I will give example. He said, do you know me? Dear student, follow the sentence. He said, do you know me? Here is change the. If the sentence is interrogative, we use repeating verb said. Here is used asked. Instead of said, we use asked. He said. I use he asked. And inverted and the inverted comma remove. I use if. He asked if I knew him. Dear student, again follow the example. He said, do you know me? I wrote, he asked, do you know me? I said, if the sentence is auxiliary verb question, we do not use conjunction there. We use here if, whether. And said, instead of said, we use asked. He asked if I knew him. Another example. Rina said, will you help me? This is the WS question and there is used auxiliary verb. Rina asked if I would help her. Follow the example. Instead of said I use asked. Inverted comma instead I use if. You person change I use I. Will past tense. Said past tense so I use would. Now and help me change her. That means Rina. I will give another example. He said to me, have you broken the chair? Have you broken the chair? Same way, he asked me if I had broken the chair. Dear student, focus the sentence. Instead of said, I use asked. Inverted comma, change, I use if. Have you change, I use I. Present perfect, change the past perfect. Now let's go WS question. Interrogative sentence and another rules. WS question. He said to me, what do you want? He said to me, what do you want? He asked me. Dear student, focus the sentence. He asked me. If the sentence is WS question, what, which, what, when, where, who, there is no use. Change. There is no change. I want. There is use what. He asked me, what do you want? He asked me what I wanted. Only change person and verb according to reporting verb. Only change person and verb. He asked me what I wanted. Another example. Rina said to me, where do you live? Dear student, Rina asked me, same way where I person change, where I verb change, lived. I give last example. He said, who are you? He asked, who I was. I think you can understand. First I give an example, auxiliary verb question, then I give an example, WH question. So dear student, let's go imperative sentence. At first tell me what is imperative sentence. If the sentence expresses order, advice, request, command, that means we change repeating verb stated and instead of we use order, advice, request and command. When I give example, you can clearly idea. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. The teacher said to the students, stand up. Dear student, this is the imperative sentence. There is a rules change. The teacher said to the student, if the sentence is imperative and the expresses order, so I write the teacher always teacher ordered the students. Ordered the students. Dear student, follow the rules. Here is used preposition to. Here is used not use that and not use what if. Here is used to. The teacher said to the student when I joined the reported space, I only used to. The teacher ordered the student to stand up. To stand up. Another example, he said, always speak the truth. Dear student, this is expresses advice. He advised rules. According to rules, I used to. He advised to speak the truth always. I give it another example. The old man said, give me a glass of. The old man said, please help me. Dear student, this sentence expresses requested. The old man requested to help him. The sentence expresses please. So I wrote requested. Another example. The captain said to the soldiers, march on. This order is martial order, so I use commanded. The captain, instead of said, I use commanded. The captain commanded the soldiers to march on. there are 4 examples I given about imperative sentence. There are another rules also. Propose, suggest. If the sentence expresses suggest or propose, there is use another rules. So I will give example about the suggest and propose. If the sentence let us, there are another rules. There is mention, propose and suggest. Dear students, example is said,
बताओ। वाह